My dear brothers, my dear sisters, I humbly come up to you this morning. I humbly beg of you, do not try to be something that you are not. Do not try to adopt a character that does not resonate with your soul. As the word says, seek the Lord earnestly. That means come in your true form. See, a lot of disappointments that I've faced in my life have been results driven. I wanted to do something because I saw people getting results from the thing, but I never really asked myself after that disappointment that was this something that I really wanted to do? Was this something I was doing out of love? But in most cases, out of my disappointments, I was doing that thing because I was in desperation. So that's why I'm saying to you guys, come as you are. Seek your life, seek your goals truthfully. Be true to yourself first, and the universe will be true to you. God will be true to you. You will reap things that are truly yours. I love you. I say this with love and kindness. I love you.